Good morning, everybody. This is Alex over here at Courtesy Jeep, here to present to you a Sema built MOJAVE Gladiator. Now, this 2023 MOJAVE was built by DOESTSCH for Sema and is now available for you to put in your driveway. This Gladiator boasts a 3.5-inch Teraflex lift kit with the Falcon 2.1 adjustable shocks. You've got the Fox hydraulic bump stops up in the front. And this beauty is wrapped on a 37-inch Goodyear Wrangler Boulder MT. This is a very stout mud terrain tire. Look at the lugs on these sidewalls right here. It's perfect for any kind of rock crawling, but this drives surprisingly smooth for it being an MT tire. Got some nice KMC wheels on there and a 17-inch so you can keep all the sidewalls. Over here on the side, you've got a perfect setup for a rock slider that actually has a step pad on there. This is a nice dual functioning rock slider. You don't have to worry about banging up the side panels or anything if you happen to get out on the rocks with it. Around here to the back, this has a Corsa exhaust, catback to be exact. The nice American flag on there. How beautiful that exhaust is. Come to the back, we got a nice steel bumper with some backup lights in there. And you even have a lockable hitch right here. Now, this uses the same exact key that you would use to start the Jeep, so you don't have to worry about losing a second key or not having it when you need it. One key works for everything on this Jeep. Now, these little points over here, or if you end up having to need to use a hijack, you've got points between the rear bumper and the front bumper to help get this Jeep off the ground so you can swap a tire on it. A very stout Gladiator. Let's come over here to the front. We've got a nice stubby bumper with a light bar in it, plus the 2 side pods, and you've even got pods up on the cowls. This is all the lighting you need if you want to go out at night. Up here in the front, you do have a super winch up here. Now, this winch is a Bluetooth capable winch. So if you happen to need to use your winch, I never recommend going by yourself, but if you do end up going by yourself and you don't have anyone to help you, you can operate it from inside of the cab. It's got the synthetic line in there, and you even got your skid plate underneath. Let's go take a look on the inside. This does have keyless entry, so the key never has to leave your pocket. Start down here real quick. There's your switches for the lights. And they've even got some custom leather in here. Now, this leather is very, very comfortable, even over the factory leather. It's got the nice suede up on the sides. It's got the Deutsch logo in there. Got your hardtop headliner, your universal garage door opener. Got your 8.4-inch radio. And down here at the bottom, you've got your rear locker with your off-road plus button. It's a beautiful Jeep. Take a look at the back real quick. Same thing in the back with the nice leather. Got your all-weather floor mats in there. Got your power outlet in the back as well as extra USB ports. Just so you guys can hear it, let me give it a start real quick. Very nice tone to that. So again, this is Alex over here at Courtesy Jeep. Come on down and check out this new Sema build, and let's put this dream in your driveway today. Ask for stock number J233300.